Hello, this is Dr. Rahul, and we run a chain of clinics called Signature Smiles in Mumbai. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about dental implants. As everyone must be aware, these dental implants are titanium screws which are placed into the bone, and it is replacement for a missing tooth. Now, our missing teeth can be replaced in a number of ways. One is with the help of dentures, which are conventional dentures which were almost obsolete nowadays thanks to dental implants and the bridges. Other option is with the help of bridges, but for that you need to sacrifice your adjacent teeth, shave them up and use them as abutments to have a replacement. The best way to replace missing teeth is with the help of dental implants. Why? Because you're not sacrificing, you're not damaging your adjacent teeth, and you're taking support directly from your own bone, from your jawbone. To determine whether you are a good candidate for dental implants or not, there is something called as a CBCT, which is a 3D scan, which helps us to determine what is the quantity as well as the quality of bone present. Once a 3D scan is done, we can exactly determine the dimensions of your bone, and we can plan how many implants are required, what is the design of the implant that is required, which is best suitable for your case, okay, and what are the sites for implant placement. Okay, also apart from that, it also helps us to understand what are the anatomical structures present around the site of the implant placement, like the maxillary sinus, if there are some nerves present in the lower jaw which is in the way of placing the implant. So if there are some adjunct procedures required for placing the implants, we would determine that. Once the implants are placed, we need to give our body some time to heal, which is probably 3 to 4 months. During this period, what happens is your bone will fuse with the dental implants. Once this fusion happens, once this integration happens, that means now the foundation is rock solid over which you can have your crowns placed in, over which you will have your teeth. Once you have these teeth in, you can chew onto your nuts, whatever hard foods you want to chew with, and that will make sure that you have a beautiful smile as well. If you want to know more about dental implants, and if you are looking for a similar kind of treatment, you can check us on Lybrate.